Hey, it's Tanya from scrappychicks.com, and today I just bring you a Dollar General Christmas haul. So they have all the Christmas stuff out at my local Dollar General, which I'm from North Carolina. So I wanted to show you some goodies that I picked up. I picked up these, I call them recipe boxes. And this is St. Nick's Sweets Candy and Treat Shop. This one was only $1, and it has glitter, and it has a bow. And the top says Frosty Snowflake Cafe. So, I just love these little boxes. And so I was going to make recipe cards to go on the inside. So these are a lot of fun. I really like them. And then they have all different sizes. And then I got a size up. And this one is St. Nick's Sweets Candy and Treat Shop. Miss Claus's Fresh Baked Cookies. This one was $1.50. So this one's a little bit bigger. So if you do bigger recipe cards, if that's what you want to use it for, that would be great for this one. I haven't taken it out of the package yet, but this is a felt garland, but it's got this snowman with the pom-poms and the peppermint, and I'm going to spruce this up a little bit. So I can't wait to show you what I do with that. And then I've got these headbands for $1. And I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to do with these yet, but I know what it is. It's a secret. So you'll have to wait for the tutorial to see what I do with these headbands. But they're $1, and they have shimmer and glitter on them. And of course, you know, I just love that. So I got several of those. They have these character clips is what they're called. They're only $1. And so this one is a reindeer, and it's on the small little clothespins is what they are. That's the back of them. So I got the reindeer, the snowman, owls. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah. And then, of course, Santa Claus. Can't have Christmas crafts without Santa, right? So I got 2 packs of each of those, and they were $1. And then the last thing I got from the Dollar General so far are the cute stickers. So they have this sticker sheets for $1. This one has the little truck, which is what caught my eye because I love the truck with the Christmas tree. This is like holographic. And then the snowman, because I love snowmen. I collect them. So I have a huge collection of snowmen packed away. I only get them out at Christmas. And my snowman I keep out through January. But I love the snowman as well. And these are not very puffy. These are they have a little bit of texture to them, but not a lot. So these will be good for scrapbooking as well because they're not as puffy or chunky. So these are on foam. So these have more chunk to them. So these have a foam backing on the back, and these have just a flat sticker on the back. So that's the difference in the two. I think that's everything I've gotten so far. That doesn't mean I'm not going to go back and get more. I'm really, really liking these mini clothespin clips for $1. I mean, that's a good deal. So those are really, really cute. So I just wanted to share this with you. It's just a quick Dollar General Christmas haul, and I'm getting excited about the holidays. It's been an interesting year this year for everybody with, of course, I call it Rona. So with Rona, and then my 2 young adult children actually did get it. So my husband and I, we did not contract it from our young adult sons, but they both were really sick, but we were still blessed through the entire sickness because they did not have to go into the hospital and on ventilators, and other people have faced tragedies with that. So I'm trying to find the positive, and that's what I'm focusing on. So the holidays are coming, and even though it's going to be different this year for a lot of people, and especially for our family, I'm still looking for the positive. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this inspires you to go get some crafty stuff at your local Dollar General before it gets gone, because it's going to sell out fast. Thanks again. Until next time. Bye-bye.